How fast? How fast can you go, crew? Good job. Good job. Up and over the curb. Can you go down the driveway?
Go fast.
I'm going down. Go down.
Yeah, you can go in there and come back out.
Is he too low?
I don't know. Turn around and come show me how fast you can go.
Come on, crew.
Crew? Around the car. Show me how fast.
Come on.
Oh, whoa.
Hello.
Yeah, we don't play in the street, right?
He's done. I've let him go out there and come back. But we're watching. Good job.
Crew, can you go down the sidewalk? Let's go down that way. Come off the street.
Okay. Look at his bike.
Can you go real fast? Show me how fast you go, crew. Whoa.
Crew. I ride bikes with you?
What was that big hit? Careful, crew. Careful. Car's coming. You can go fast? Careful.
This thing has flat tires.
Crew, come back this way. Go get Daddy. Go fast.